Hello, today is Monday, March 16th, and right now we have some severe thunderstorm hitting in early in the morning, so yeah. And that's kind of strange because we usually don't have thunderstorms that time. So, yeah. Oh, we got some power flashes going on. Oh my goodness. I never got to see this one until now, which surprised me. Let's see what happens in the next few minutes. I have an updates coming in. So, yeah. Lightning is here. And so is winds too. There's a chance we may lose power because I saw a transformer a couple minutes ago. I don't know if I'll be able to see it again. Alright, we got heavy rain now. So, I have to record this just in case something happens. Another one. Ooh, third one. God.